Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to stay ahead in the fast-moving world of AWS Cloud, you're in the right place. This week's AWS Update Pack is packed with exciting announcements, from massive price cuts on AI instances and new quantum-safe cryptographic support, to game-changing enhancements in Amazon Connect and AWS Control Tower's expanded compliance frameworks. Plus, we're seeing big moves in developer tools and infrastructure with new open-source releases, simplified cross-account permissions, and fresh region launches. So stick around, because these highlights will supercharge your AWS strategies and keep you primed for what's next. Let's dive right into the top 20 updates you need to know this week. 1. AWS announces open-source AWS API models. AWS now publicly shares their official API model definitions in an open-source GitHub repo and Maven Central packages. These daily updated Smithy format models let developers build and mock AWS services more efficiently, even generating custom SDKs. This is a huge win for devs wanting tighter integration, testing, and customization across AWS services. 2. AWS KMS adds support for post-quantum MLDSA digital signatures. AWS Key Management Service now supports a quantum-resistant digital signature algorithm standardized by NIST. This post-quantum MLDSA helps future-proof secure code signing and digital signatures against the threats posed by quantum computers, crucial for maintaining long-term data integrity and security. 3. Announcing price reductions for Amazon SageMaker AI GPU accelerated instances. Huge cost savings alert. SageMaker AI GPU instances like P4 and P5 are getting up to 45% price cuts, making high-performance generative AI development vastly more affordable. This extends to savings plans and training plans, empowering more teams to accelerate their AI projects sustainably. 4. Amazon Connect enhances communication limits for outbound campaigns. Amazon Connect now lets you centrally control the total outbound messaging limits across all campaigns, while offering the flexibility to bypass these limits for critical communications like fraud alerts. This balances compliance with smarter, more focused customer engagement. 5. AWS Control Tower now supports 7 new compliance frameworks. Control Tower expands compliance support to key frameworks including PCI DSS v4.0, FedRAMP R4, NIST CSF 1.1, and others. Better yet, new control classifications by domain and objective greatly simplify compliance monitoring and automation, streamlining governance across your AWS environment. 6. Amazon Q Developer IDE plugins now support Model Context Protocol (MCP) tools. Amazon Q Developer stepped up interoperability with MCP, a protocol that securely connects AI models to external tools and data sources. Developers can now enrich their IDE workflows and responses by integrating custom MCP servers right inside Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, and CLI. 7. Amazon VPC IP Address Manager (IPAM) launches in Asia Pacific, Taipei. VPC IPAM for smarter tracking and automated IP assignments now covers Taipei, making IP address management seamless in all AWS regions globally. Goodbye spreadsheets, hello automated, rule-driven IP governance. 8. Amazon EKS Bot Identity simplifies cross-account AWS resource access. EKS Bot Identity now supports direct configuration of access to AWS resources across accounts without code changes. This IAM role chaining feels like magic. Pods get the right temporary credentials automatically, simplifying secure multi-account permission management. 9. AWS WAF introduces automatic application layer DDoS protection. AWS WAF now includes a managed rule group that automatically detects and mitigates Layer 7 DDoS attacks in seconds using machine learning. It's a big operational relief for security teams, ensuring your CloudFront and ALB apps stay safe and responsive under attack. 10. Amazon Novasonic adds Spanish language support. Amazon's advanced speech-to-speech AI model Novasonic now speaks Spanish with expressive masculine and feminine voices. This opens up natural, real-time voice conversations for more users, advancing multilingual AI applications with smooth, human-like dialogue. 11. Amazon EC2 i8G storage-optimized instances arrive in Europe, Ireland. Powered by the new Graviton 4 and next-gen Nitro SSDs, i8G instances deliver up to 60% better compute and 65% better storage I/O performance targeting transactional databases and real-time analytics. Now available in Ireland, These are a powerhouse for storage-heavy workloads. 12. Amazon Verified Permission slashes authorization pricing by up to 97%. Amazon Verified Permissions now charges just $5 per million authorization requests, making fine-grained authorization checks massively more cost-effective. This unlocks scalability for secure app development with centralized, policy-driven access control. 13. AWS Marketplace adds private marketplace management right in the console. Administrators can now easily create, configure, and audit private marketplace experiences directly in the AWS Marketplace console, streamlining governance on software procurement and improving visibility on user activity. 14. Amazon Lex improves conversational AI with LLM-assisted natural language understanding. Amazon Lex now leverages large language models to boost intent recognition and slot-filling accuracy, especially on complex or noisy inputs, without changing your bot's core behavior. This means smarter, more resilient conversational bots that require less training data. 15. Amazon ECS now supports updating capacity providers for existing services. You can now update the compute configuration behind your ECS services, such as switching between EC2 and Fargate, without the hassle and downtime of recreating services. This operational flexibility is a big win for container management at scale. 16. AWS Control Tower adds service-linked AWS config managed rules. Control Tower enhanced detective controls by deploying service-linked config rules directly in managed accounts. This speeds up configuration consistency and prevents resource drift with easier governance across accounts and regions. 17. AWS CloudTrail logs detailed info for Amazon S3 bulk delete objects API calls. CloudTrail now provides granular audit logs recording exactly which objects are deleted in batch S3 delete operations. This enhanced visibility helps tighten security and compliance around data deletion workflows. 18. Amazon Bedrock Custom Model Import now supports Qwen models. You can now import custom Qwen-based AI models into Amazon Bedrock, governing code generation, multimodal vision language, and reasoning tasks, and deploy them in a managed serverless environment. This expands your options for tailored AI workloads without infrastructure hassle. 19. Amazon Q Developer offers pro-tier upgrades for AWS Builder ID users. Users with free Builder IDs can now upgrade to Pro Tier for higher usage limits right in their development IDEs or CLI, unlocking more agentic AI coding power without manual configuration. 20. Amazon RDS for DB2 supports cross-region standby replicas. RDS for DB2 introduces cross-region standby replicas to minimize downtime during disasters with near-instant failover. This asynchronous replication added ensures high availability and disaster recovery while saving on licensing fees. And that's a wrap for this week's hottest AWS updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your cloud community, and subscribe for your weekly digest of everything AWS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for all the latest cloud innovation. Keep building, keep innovating.